Hello everyone, my name is Smriti. I have created this channel to let you know about cloud computing as well as Salesforce technology. So, we will be starting today with some basics, and for that, I will be telling you basically what is a cloud. A cloud is something, it is a type of a storage where we store any type of data virtually. Okay, so if I will give you one thing in one line, if I'll give you, it is a storage where we can store any data virtually. Next is the thing which is cloud computing. You all must have heard this term. So what is a cloud computing? Cloud computing is a type of a remote network which is there present on the internet, and it is used to store, manage, or process any type of data rather than using any local server or any personal computer. So it is a type of a remote network. So it is a type of a remote network which is used to store, manage, and process any type of data. So it is a type of a remote network rather than we are using any personal computer or any type of local server. So this is the thing which tells you about the cloud computing. Now the next thing is, what there are some of parts of cloud computing which I will be telling you and I will be explaining you about. So basic parts of cloud computing consist of: first is IaaS, second is PaaS, and third is SaaS. So, what are these three terms? So, IaaS stands for Infrastructure as a Service. Okay, yeah. PaaS stands for Platform as a Service, and SaaS stands for Software as a Service. So these are the three parts of any type of cloud computing. So let me tell you with the example, with a simple example. So IaaS, I can explain you like, suppose we have any type of laptop. Okay, laptop is running on Windows. Okay, and in that Windows we have some type of software or any type of application, for example, Notepad, or you can say Paint. So this is very easy thing you can you can understand with, like, a laptop is a type of infrastructure, and to run that thing we need a platform. To run any type of services or any software we need a platform, and that platform is provided by Windows. And software is a type of software is a type of thing which is running on that platform with the help of the infrastructure. So these are the application which I can think of right now, which I can give you as a type of an example. So Notepad and Paint is a type of a SaaS, software as a service, which is running on a infrastructure as a service with the help of a platform as a service. Okay. Now, in terms of cloud computing, if I will explain you that what are these three terms: IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS. So, in simple terms, I can explain you, like, if I am talking about a cloud. Okay, so cloud is a type of a infrastructure. Okay, so it is a type of an infrastructure on which we need a platform so that we can do something on that, as software as a service we can do something on SaaS. So for cloud we need the platform as a service, which is PaaS, and that is force.com, which has been provided. Okay. Okay, and in that force.com we are running the application, and that application is salesforce.com. So in terms of cloud, we have cloud as a IaaS, force.com as a PaaS, which is providing a type of a platform, and salesforce.com is a type of SaaS, which is providing, or which is, you can say it is a type of a software which is running on basically in this cloud computing. So, if I give you a summary, a brief summary of all of the session which we have covered today, is in simple terms, we now know what is a cloud. Cloud is a type of a storage where we can store any type of data virtually. Then comes the cloud computing, which tells you that it is a type of a remote network, okay, which is used to store, process, or manage any type of data. Okay, now, and the three parts of cloud computing consist of IaaS, PaaS, SaaS, infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. And now you know in terms of cloud computing that what it is referring to in with respect to these three parts of the cloud computing. So, guys, that's all about my session for today. If you have any questions regarding the cloud computing, or its part, you can give your comments and I will let you know, or and I will clear your doubts in my next session. In next session, we will be coming back to our channel, and we will be explaining you further about what is cloud, how is Salesforce working, and we will be continuing with our sessions in terms of with respect to our channel. So please like and subscribe our channel, and let me know if you have any of the doubts. Thank you so much. Bye bye.